Y'all, it's Valentine's Day. I'm getting ready. I gotta hurry up. Actually doing to get ready with me while I actually have to go somewhere, which means I'm on a time limit. I have like a little over an hour to get ready, so I'm trying to hurry up. I already know the makeup look I'm doing. It's the makeup look that I did the, y'all gonna see the makeup look that I'm doing because I did a makeup video on it for Valentine's Day. I'm not gonna be talking on this video because I am in a rush, so I will just be playing music, but I will make sure I list everything that I use down below. So if I don't show something, or if you don't know what something is, just ask me down below because I am in a rush. I'm not gonna be like, oh gosh, show this to the screen. I'm trying to hurry up and rush or whatever. So without further ado, hop into this video. Hope you guys enjoy.
Love is always out there, I'm having bad timing. But to my great surprise, ever since I looked in your eyes, I had one question for you. Tell me if you want me to give you my time, I wanna make it good for you. Cause you know my mind, I wanna score this girl, be true. You're so fine, so tell me if you want me to, yeah. Love is always out there, I'm having bad timing. But to my great surprise,